Lithium iron phosphate, LiFePO4 batteries, are an excellent choice for powering radio equipment in the field due to their numerous advantages, including high safety, extended cycle life, and stable performance across a broad temperature range. As a recent purchaser of a 100 amp hour 12-volt LiFePO4 battery, I felt it imperative to educate myself on their proper care. This brief video will outline the essential tips for maintaining and charging these compact yet powerful devices, ensuring you maximize your investment. Hi, I'm Tracy, VE3TWM. Thank you for tuning in to Outdoors on the Air. To preserve the performance and lifespan of your LiFePO4 batteries, it's crucial to charge them correctly. Use a charger designed for LiFePO4 batteries, which delivers the appropriate voltage to prevent cell damage during the charging process. Charge your batteries within the recommended temperature range of 0 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius for optimal efficiency. Connect the charger to the battery first, before connecting it to the power grid to prevent any potential sparks. Always monitor the charging process to avoid overcharging, which can be detrimental to the battery's health. Once charged to full capacity, disconnect the charger promptly. Regular maintenance plays a significant role in extending the life of your LiFePO4 batteries. Inspect them for physical damage and loose connections, and address any issues immediately. Keep batteries within the manufacturer's specified temperature range to prevent performance degradation, particularly in cold conditions. Be aware that many LiFePO4 batteries are not suitable for starting applications. When connecting cables, ensure they are tight and use the correct gauge for the current your load requires. 14 gauge for 20 amps, 12 gauge for 25 amps, and 10 gauge for 30 amps. Avoid creating short circuits by not touching the negative and positive terminals with metal or conductive materials. Replace batteries if you notice a substantial capacity drop. Protect your batteries from physical harm by storing them in a suitable container. Keep them away from heat sources and out of the reach of children. Store them in a cool, dry place. The optimal storage condition is a matter of debate among manufacturers, with some suggesting fully charging before storage to prevent self-discharge damage, and others advising storage at 50% capacity with a recharge every 3 months for prolonged periods of inactivity. It's advisable to consult your battery's documentation for specific instructions. Nonetheless, LiFePO4 batteries boast a low self-discharge rate of 1 to 3% per month, allowing them to retain most of their charge during storage. If your LiFePO4 battery fails to work, it's possible the Battery Management System, BMS, has activated a protective shutoff mechanism. To rectify this, disconnect all cables from the battery and let it rest for 30 minutes. After this period, the battery should recover automatically. If necessary, charge it using a compatible charger with a 0-volt charging function, which can safely charge the battery from a completely depleted state. In conclusion, LiFePO4 batteries offer remarkable power and longevity. By adhering to the proper charging, maintenance, and storage procedures, you can enjoy the full benefits of these batteries for an extended period. Remember to refer to your battery's manual for specific guidelines and handle them with care to ensure their safe and reliable operation. If you know a LiFePO4 battery tip I have not mentioned here, please leave a comment below. That's all for this time. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn. Get out of the shack, get outdoors, and get on the air. 7-3 from Tracy, VE3TWM.